In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate sign up form on Mailchimp. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type mailchimp.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click at login into your account, so you can actually enter your name or user's name or email, then password, then you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you can actually scroll down here and see all the plans that they have. They have the 3 paid plans and 1 free plan. Once you choose whatever plan suits you, let's use this as an example, they're going to get you to the section where you can actually create your account. As you can see, let's just click add this free plan, sign up for free or sign up free, and that should take you here. Simply just enter your email, username and password, then click on sign up. Let me do that and I'm coming back. So now you have to check your email by just going to your email and activate it by the message that they're going to send you. Once you activated your account, you'll find yourself here again, so let's just click at continue free. Here, you'll have just to enter your first name, last name, so let's just enter those that is like suggested for me and click on next. Of course, the phone number is just optional. And here, of course, you'll have to enter your address, thanks, and etc. So let's just enter those, click on next. And here, of course, you'll have to answer some questions. If you don't want to, it's cool. You can just keep pressing and at next, as you can see. But the first one, you should actually just answer it, and you will see the rest of them. You can actually keep clicking at skip. Once you finish, click on finish. And as you can see, once you click on let's go, you will find yourself on the home screen of the Mailchimp websites. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to generate sign up form. And of course, if you want to do that, we'll have to click audience on this left panel. From here, make sure to click on sign up forms, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have more than one audience, you will have to click or go and create a tag so you can specify the audience that you would like to generate the sign up form for them. Then once you do that, of course, just go to this form builder, click here, select. And here, of course, you will have to highlight this URL section and, of course, just copy it. Now, of course, you'll have to paste the sign up form URL into the address bar of a new browser tab or window. Let's say, as an example, just copy it and paste it here. And that's going to be now your sign up form. Of course, if you want to make any changes on it, you can just go here. And as you can see here, that's what we see, which is this and this. Because this is hidden, as you can see here, it's actually hidden. So of course here, you can actually add a field if you want, or you can even edit your field right here. You can build it, design it if you want, or even translate it. And once you finish all of this, you can simply go and click on save field, and you'll find once you actually refresh this page, you'll find your sign up form is updated and you'll be good to go. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.